to the ignition and step on the gas.
What a Gawn Guys, welcome again back to another Let's Go GA Tours. And today we're going to be taking a trip up Mona Road. Now Mona is bordered by the neighbouring communities of Liguanea, Pastures, Beverly Hills, Augustown and Papine. And Mona was once a very large sugar plantation. Mona also contains now the reservoir, which replaces the system of aqueducts that were used to feed the sugar plantation, and is now the largest water source for Kingston. So don't forget guys to like and subscribe to help the channel to grow. So now relax, drink a rich tribe and enjoy the ride. So if we take the turn and follow the silver car to the right, we would be going on to Karachi Avenue. And to our right, we're passing the Mona High School. So the avenue to our right is the Great House Boulevard. And just after passing the Great House Boulevard is the Mona Reservoir. Fun fact guys, did you know that there's a great house here hidden in Mona? Yes, there is one. Remember, Mona was a plantation, so they have to be a great house. And there's also another one that's hidden in plain sight in Cherry Gardens. I'll take you to see that one very soon. So just to note guys, all these houses to our left are of the community of Mona. So when we say Mona, we are thinking about all these homes and apartments to the left here. And we're coming up on a left turn, which will take us onto Garden Boulevard, but we'll be heading straight through underneath these aqueducts, and these were the aqueducts that used to feed the plantation, but now is replaced by the Mona Reservoir. So now everything onto our left is the University of the West Indies. To our left is the main entrance to the University of the West Indies. that will take us up to the Ring Road. I'll do a tour of the University of the West Indies in the upcoming days. So on our right is the entrance to College Common, and that is actually a small community of homes for the lecturers and personnel of the university. It's a gated community.
3, 2, 1.
And to our left, we are passing some dormitories for the students of the universities. There are several different dorms at the University of the West Indies. So we're now coming to the end of Mona Road, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so we can continue to give you contents like this.